Dive into the future of smartphones with the upcoming Vivo X100 Pro Plus and X100s. The X100 Pro Plus is expected to dazzle with its 1.5K display, featuring 2160 Hz PWM high-frequency dimming for an eye-comforting experience. On the other hand, the X100s is set to impress. With a 2K Samsung E7 panel and 1440 Hz PWM dimming, promising unmatched display quality. Both models will sport a 50MP Sony LYT 9, a 1-inch main camera sensor, a 50MP ultrawide lens, and a groundbreaking 200MP periscope camera, redefining mobile photography. The X100 Pro Plus might also introduce satellite communication, powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, 24GB LPDDR5T RAM, and 1TB UFS 4.0 storage. Supported by a 5400 mAh battery with 120 wired and 50 wireless charging. Meanwhile, the X100s could feature a Dimensity 9300 SoC and a 5000 mAh battery with up to 100 charging. These advancements indicate Vivo's commitment to pushing the boundaries of technology, eagerly anticipated by enthusiasts around the globe.